friends, welcome back to my channel. So today I will be unboxing one of my hot favorite subscriptions, that is the Frizeal subscription bag. And honestly, I am in love with the Frizeal subscriptions. They come out with such awesome stuff. The Frizeal subscription comes in three variants: a 600 rupees mini shimmer, a 900 rupees shimmer, and a 1500 rupees glitz. So I am going to unbox the glitz subscription of Frizeal, and let's start right away. The first thing to come out of the bag is this beautiful handbag. You have some options in this handbag. You can choose the colors, and this is how it looks from inside. It is quite a spacious bag and will carry in lot of stuffs inside. The material appears to be nice and it has a zip opening here. Just look at this handle. A silk tie on it is making it look so beautiful and trendy. Just look at this. This is how the handles look, and they have this gold accessories here to highlight it, and you can use it as a sling too. So this was the first product that came out of it. No, the bag is not complete yet. So from inside we have another hand pouch which can be used separately as a sling too. So this is how it looks, and there is a sling inside. So absolutely loved it. You can use this independently as an individual sling also, while you can use this as a compartment and store your things inside it and put it inside the main handbag. So I honestly quite like this bag. I'm happy getting this. The next thing to come out of it is this glassware. It is, I think, a mason jug, a mason jar, and yes, it is. So let me open this. Oh my god, just look at this. This is such a pretty mason jar. I am just in love with this. I like the color, I like the lid, the quality is nice. It's a beautiful product. I'm so happy to get this too. So yeah, I love this second product too. The rest of the products are in this nice sturdy plastic box with a Frizeal logo here. So let's open this and see. So these are all my products. The first thing that I can see is a activated charcoal face wash from Wow, and I know all of you are aware how the charcoal is really into the system now, and we have everything in the charcoal range, including a face wash, a body scrub, a face mask, a body mask, and whatnot. But honest, I'm quite happy to see this activated charcoal face wash, and it seems like an interesting product. So all the contents are mentioned here, and this is priced at rupees 349 rupees. This product claims to have no sulfates or parabens in it. So quite an interesting product. Let me show you how the bottle looks. So this is how the face wash looks, and it's quite an interesting product. I really liked it. It has a pump here and a transparent container. So this is very useful. I generally like the ones with a transparent container, or at least a transparent part, so you know how much you have used and how much is remaining, when do you need to order the next one. And also it has a pump, so you will not be wasting product. You will be getting a precise amount out of it. So yes, quite a nice product. Happy to get this too. The next product is this nail polish remover wipes from Cara, and it is lemon enriched with olive oil and vitamin E. It is acetone free, so it's very nice that it is acetone free. I hope you all know that the acetone really damages the cuticle and the nail enamel also. So we should not be using acetone based nail polish remover. And these wipes are very handy. So this is how the container looks, and it has 30 wipes in it. So quite a nice product. I like this product, and a very useful product. Then we come to the best part of this bag, which is the jewelry. Frizeal is known for the quality of jewelry it provides, and you get a variety of options in the jewelry, so you can select what you like, and I'm sure Frizeal will have a jewelry to match everyone's taste. So this is the first pair of earrings, and look at them. They are so rich and classy. These are the black gray colored stone crystals here, and this is a perfect party wear. I love this earrings. It is going to be a beautiful addition to my earring collection and perfect for a date, outing. So especially for Valentine, if anyone of, look at the next pair. It is such a beautiful design and it is absolutely lightweight. A very nice dangler is going to look perfect on your western outfits, on your denims, on your office wear, on your smart wear, and this is just the perfect piece. And the color is so beautiful. It's a blush colored earring, and as you guys must be knowing, blush color is very in these days. And this is my next pair of earrings. Just look at them. They are so beautiful. So they are so different. They are so contemporary. I have never owned an earring like this before, and this is just perfect. You can wear it with an Indian wear, you can wear it with an western wear, you can wear it with your saris. I think this is just a earring which can be paired with anything that you desire. And just look at the intricate design here. This is so beautiful, and the background which is given here, I think it's a fiber or a wooden thing. It is just enhancing the look to make it look so different and contemporary. It's a really a long earring, and again something which I did not own ever before, and I'm so happy to get this. And a last piece of jewelry. This is awesome. Honestly, I loved this stunning piece. This is again a party wear or a smart wear, and the design is so pretty, so unique, so classy. I am in love with all the earrings that I received this month. Yes, you can get an option of you could also choose a necklace, but I love earrings. I do not change my necklace very much, but I am a earring person and I love to have a good earring collection. I am happy with the 4 pieces of earring that I have received. So this was the last piece of my Frizeal subscription, and guys, now comes my opinion. As usual, Frizeal has not disappointed me. I love the collection. I love the bag which I have received. It's quite trendy. My favorite pieces here are my earring collection. I loved all 4 of them. I do not know which one I can say is my favorite, but I guess I liked all of them. So all the earrings are my favorites. So guys, if you did like this subscription, please go ahead and order one for yourself. With that, we come to an end of this unboxing. I hope you enjoyed watching this video, and if you did, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Look forward to hearing from you. Do share some love. Bye for now. See you soon.